Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Nimble CRM, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Nimble CRM. Press enter to navigate to the Nimble website. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, you will see a form that requires your information. Begin by entering your first name in the designated field. Next, input your last name. Now, enter your email address. Create a strong password and type it into the password field. Make sure your password meets the specified criteria. Next, you may be asked to select your company size from a drop-down menu. Choose the option that best fits your organization. If applicable, provide your company name. Look for any additional information requests, such as your job title. Fill in these optional fields as needed. Next, read through the terms of service. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Decide if you wish to receive updates from Nimble. Once you have completed the form, review your entries for accuracy. When everything looks correct, click on the Sign Up button. Now, check your email for a confirmation message from Nimble. Open the email and look for a verification link. Click on the link to confirm your account. You will be redirected to the Nimble login page. Enter your email and password to log in. Congratulations, you are now registered with Nimble CRM. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.